Teddy and Tilly's Lazy Lake Days. In a sunny little town nestled between meadows and a sleepy lake, there lived a fluffy golden retriever named Teddy. Teddy was gentle, goofy, and had one favorite thing in the world: napping in the sun. Not far from Teddy's home lived Tilly, a tiny turtle with a speckled green shell and a wise look in her eyes. She lived by the edge of the lake, moving slowly but always with purpose. One lazy afternoon, Teddy was lying under his favorite tree by the water, paws sprawled, tongue lolling, when he noticed something strange. A small green bump was slowly heading his way. It was Tilly, out for her afternoon sun stroll. At first, they just looked at each other. Teddy wagged his tail. Tilly blinked. Then Teddy, without a word, shifted slightly to make room beside him under the shade. Tilly nodded, or at least it seemed like she did, and nestled down beside his big, furry paw. From that day on, every afternoon the two could be found in the same spot, Teddy lying with his snout on his paws and Tilly perched comfortably on his back or beside him. Sometimes she'd crawl up on his head, and he wouldn't even flinch. They didn't do much, just chilled, watched the clouds, listened to the birds. Sometimes Teddy would bark softly at a butterfly and Tilly would slowly follow it with her eyes. They became a quiet legend in the town, the Lazy Lake Duo, known for reminding everyone that friendship doesn't need words, games, or even similar speeds, just warmth, trust, and a shared love of sunshine. Moral of the story: true friendship isn't about keeping up, it's about slowing down together.